Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of precision and power with our top picks for the 5 best mini drills of 2024. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a hobbyist, or just need a compact tool for intricate tasks, we've got you covered. From cutting-edge features to top-notch performance, these mini electric drill machines are designed to impress. Stick around to find out which one might be your perfect match. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. JANGKLIFE USB Mini Wireless Drill. Let's talk about what's in the box. The JANGKLIFE USB Mini Wireless Drill comes with everything you need to get started. The drill itself, a USB charging cable, and a set of 5 versatile collettes. One of the standout features of this drill is its versatility. With 5 different collet sizes, 1 mm, 1.6 mm, 2.35 mm, 3 mm, and 3.2 mm, you can easily swap out attachments to suit your project needs. Changing collets is a breeze, making it simple to switch between tasks. Now let's talk power. This mini drill offers 5 adjustable rotation speeds, 3,000, 6,000, 9,000, 12,000, and 15,000 RPM. You can easily control the speed with a single button, and the tool's 3 red lights clearly indicate the current setting. Whether you need a slow, precise touch or high-speed performance, this drill has you covered. And here's the best part. It's rechargeable via USB. Just plug it into your computer, power bank, or phone adapter. A full charge takes about 2 hours and gives you approximately 90 minutes of usage. No more hunting for batteries or dealing with cords. Whether you're engraving jewelry, working with metal, or crafting intricate designs in glass, the JANGKLIFE USB Mini Wireless Drill is designed to handle it all. Its compact size makes it perfect for detailed work, while its powerful motor ensures you get the job done efficiently. Number 4. JANGKLIFE Mini Electric Drill Grinder. The JANGKLIFE Mini Electric Drill Grinder combines a sleek, compact design with a frosted surface for a comfortable grip. It's small enough to handle with ease, but powerful enough to tackle a variety of tasks. One thing to note, this drill grinder doesn't have an internal battery, so you'll need to plug it into an adapter to use it. But don't let that fool you. It's still incredibly versatile and effective. It comes with 5 different collet sizes, 0.8 mm, 1 mm, 1.6 mm, 2.3 mm, and 3.2 mm, making it adaptable for various accessories. Changing these colettes is straightforward, allowing you to switch up your tasks effortlessly. One of the standout features is its 3 speed settings, 5,000, 1,000, and 15,000 RPM. You control these speeds with just one button, and the current setting is clearly displayed with 3 red lights on the tool's body. Whether you need precision engraving or heavy-duty cutting, this grinder has you covered. From drilling and polishing to engraving and cutting, this drill grinder excels in various applications. Whether you're working on intricate wood carvings, stainless steel, or even body polishing, it's up to the task. Plus, it's great for deburring and dust removal. And despite its small size, measuring just 19 by 2.5 centimeter, it delivers big results. It's lightweight at just 150 grams, making it easy to handle for extended periods without fatigue. Number 3. JANGKLIFE USB Cordless Rotary Mini Drill. The JANGKLIFE USB Cordless Rotary Mini Drill is designed to eliminate the hassle of cords. No more tangled wires or limited movement, just pure, unrestricted creativity. This versatile tool is ideal for woodworking, engraving, and DIY jewelry making. Its high-speed operation, with a no-load speed of 16,000 RPM, ensures fast and efficient drilling. That means you can get your projects done quickly and with precision. Powering this mini drill is a 3.6-volt motor that provides ample power for demanding tasks. And with a rechargeable 5-volt lithium battery, you can charge it via any compatible USB connector, be it from your computer, power bank, or phone adapter. A full charge takes about 2 hours and gives you around 90 minutes of use. Switching between tasks is a breeze with the included 5 collet sizes, 0.8 mm, 1 mm, 1.6 mm, 2.3 mm, and 3.2 mm. Simply swap out the collets to fit different accessories for all your drilling, sanding, cutting, and engraving needs. Adjusting the speed is just as easy with 3 rotation settings, 5,000, 10,000, and 15,000 RPM. Control the speed with a single button, and the 3 red lights on the tool body make it clear which speed you're using. This flexibility allows you to tackle a wide range of projects with ease. Whether you're grinding, cutting, sanding, carving, polishing, or drilling, this mini drill is up for the job. Its compact size makes it perfect for detailed work, and its durability ensures it will be a reliable addition to your toolkit. Number 2. Dutoofree 35-watt USB mini wireless drill set. This mini drill set packs a punch with a powerful 35-watt motor housed in a compact ergonomic body. It's designed for both precision and durability, making it an excellent choice for a wide range of applications. With 3 adjustable speeds, 8,500 RPM, 16,500 RPM, and a blazing 21,000 RPM, this drill can handle anything from delicate carving to tough cutting. Whether you're working on wood, jade, metal, or plastic, the Dutoofree drill is up for the job. It's completely cordless and rechargeable via a universal USB interface. No power adapter needed. Just plug it in with the supplied USB Type-C cable, and you're good to go. The 2200 mAh lithium battery provides long-lasting power and is built to endure through multiple projects. Powered by a high-efficiency pure copper motor, this drill delivers impressive performance with minimal noise. The all-copper clamp core ensures high concentricity and stability, preventing any wobble or shaking during operation. This tool is incredibly versatile. Use it for intricate sculpture work on wood or jade, peeling and finishing surfaces, drilling thin materials, cutting small objects, and polishing various surfaces. It's truly a one-stop solution for your DIY needs. Featuring an intelligent chip, the drill offers overheat and overload protection. This ensures stable performance and prevents damage, allowing you to focus on your creative tasks without worrying about overheating. Number 1. Greenworks AGK302 Electric Mini Grinder. This compact powerhouse features an 80-watt motor and comes with an impressive set of 52 accessories. From wood and jade carving to polishing and rust removal, this grinder is built to handle a wide range of tasks with ease. The Greenworks AGK302 is perfect for detailed wood carving, olive carving, bone and stone engraving, and even nuclear carving. It's versatile enough for both delicate and demanding tasks. One of the standout features is its USB charging capability. Just plug it in with the Type-C 2A fast charger, and you're good to go. The 1,000 mAh lithium battery provides up to 40 minutes of continuous use on a full charge, making it perfect for extended projects. With a no-load speed range from 5,000 to 30,000 RPM and 6 speed settings, you can easily adjust the grinder to match your project's needs. The smart HD display lets you keep track of the speed and battery life at a glance. Another fantastic feature is the patented automatic lock shaft design. It locks automatically when the tool stops, making accessory changes quick and hassle-free. This design also includes a lock button cancellation to prevent accidental activation, ensuring a safer working environment. Plus, the 360-degree task lighting ensures you have full visibility of your work area, whether you're carving intricate designs or polishing surfaces. The efficient heat dissipation system keeps the motor cool, extending the tool's lifespan and maintaining performance. From sculpture and polishing to fine grinding and rust removal, the Greenworks AGK302 handles it all. Its high-capacity battery and 6-speed transmission make it a versatile tool that adapts to different creative scenes. That wraps up our list of the best mini drills for 2024. We hope this review helps you choose the right tool for your next project. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.